Technical Toolboxes PRCI thermal analysis software is an industry-trusted solution developed in partnership with PRCI for welding calculations and thermal analysis. This software is based on a complex finite element mathematical model using a proprietary finite element solver developed at the Edison Welding Institute. Pipeline engineers can use this software for modeling heat input and predicting the cooling rate to avoid hydrogen cracking for a given weld location while the pipe is in service. The thermal analysis software provides additional assessment of attachments, such as sleeves or branches, to the pipe, along with heat sink capacity calculations that take microstructures of the pipe and the attachments into account as well. It is compliant with industry standard and regulations, including API 1104, API 1107, CSA Z662, among others. I will now run through some exciting new features of PRCI thermal analysis. The latest version of this software allows for greater flexibility using the mesh generator. Input variable mesh sizes for greater accuracy in calculations using both the Urioka and Kirkcaldy methods as needed. Mesh generation capabilities include sleeve, branch, and bead-on pipe geometries, the latter for buttering layers and weld deposition repairs. Schematic drawings depicting the graphic descriptions of geometries, sleeve, branch, and bead-on pipe based on selection are also now available. These can aid both beginners and experts using the software, thus reducing onboarding and training time. The PRCI thermal analysis software is part of the Pipeline Hub platform and provides superior workflow integration and an automated data upload process.